Here we have y is equal to e to the x times tangent x. So for the first derivative, we have to apply the product rule, right? Derivative of e to the x is just e to the x times, leave this function alone, tangent x, plus, leave the first function alone, e to the x, and multiply by the derivative of second function, tangent x. So derivative of tangent is a secant square. So if we simplify this, factor out e to the x, that's going to be tangent x plus secant square x. Now the second derivative is y double prime is equal to, again we have to apply the product rule, right? Because this is e to the x times all of this expression, tangent x plus secant square x. So derivative of e to the x, that's e to the x, times, leave this function alone, so tangent x plus secant square x, plus, leave the first function e to the x alone, times derivative of this expression, this function, right? So that's going to be, derivative of tangent is a secant square plus, here we have a secant square x, right? Secant square is actually secant x, all of this expression square. So its derivative is, we have to apply the power rule first, 2 secant x, 2 minus 1 is 1, times derivative of secant x, chain rule, right? Secant x, tangent x. So if we simplify this, factor out e to the x. So e to the x, parentheses, we have tangent x plus secant square x plus secant square x, 2 secant square x, plus, if we simplify this, secant x times secant x, that's a secant square x. So 2 secant square x tangent x.